if it's still working, but I think it might be. So what I'm doing now is I'm taking the 3/4 crushed over to those guys so they can start doing the blocks. I'll have to pack this into the ground a little bit. You can see they've already got a section done. Hey, kick that rock out of the way. I want to run over it. It'll hurt me. See these rubber tracks? You won't want to run over the rocks and poke holes in it. What? Okay. Scoop it out. What? How bad though? We can jump up if we need to.
Don't jump up that fast.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
That wouldn't hurt. That.
Turn that bucket backwards. You can scoop with that blade.
Yeah, I could have on this one. Except for, dude, I'm not no good at that. I'd look funnier than heck. Watch for casualties of the war. All right, now we're gonna set the dirt up here so we can go back and get it later and use it to cover up this fill dirt that I got behind me, because this will grow stuff and that won't. I'm gonna use pit run to fill back behind the wall. This bucket is called a clean out bucket. No teeth, you notice. This allows me to dig really good and slow and scrape it off the top. All right, what was that? Okay, just checking. I can feel every little rock and pebble in the ground with this bucket. It helps tremendously. See how that moved? If you can see it, hopefully you can. I don't know what he's saying. Can't hear him. They don't understand. Oh, come on. Can't you do that? We got 3 guys here. Come on, use them shovels. What? I want to go all the way up there. I'll just keep scooting it out of the way. What? Yeah, there's nothing I can do about that. This is supposed to have an angle bucket. It does not. Just use the rock. Pack it in. I'll beat the shit out of it. Why? Are you sure? 2 inches. Where's the grade shooter? Set it up, come on. And I got the level here too. Just ask Larry for a couple tools.
Hey, Larry.
No, that's his name too. My God. All right, is that deep enough here? Get some, find out. I don't want to. That's what he tried to get me to do. All right, let me go get a couple scoops and then I'll climb around over there. You guys are whiners. Let's see what I got to put up with. Go over here and dig it. It's easier. Shoot that. Make sure it's low enough so I can not dig it when I get back. All right, now we're going to go cruise over here. Warp speed, which is like 1 mile an hour. Now check this out. I'm going to put it in rabbit after I'm done turning, because you can't put it in rabbit before you turn because it doesn't go anywhere. So once you're going straight, you're full throttle, then you hit the rabbit. Oh yeah, there we go. It's kind of like NOS. Not really though. This is like the slowest thing on the planet for me, right? Cats, excavators, you know, they got like a top speed of like 2 miles an hour. And people wonder why I like to do that. Now see, look at this. That load makes enough work. I can rock it, tip it over if I want. You guys are going, why would you want to tip it over? Well, because it's kind of fun, you know. I used to go down these really steep hills on my bucket. The tracks would be up on the little tiptoes right at the front there, because I didn't have a blade on my big one. I didn't get a blade till this last little 27D I got. This one's actually a Caterpillar. It's a rental because mine's still broken. Go figure, huh? Is that a big rock? Okay, we'll skip it and I'll dig it out. What? What do you mean they're all dead? Your kid loaded it. Yeah, I had him put it away. He guaranteed me they were off. Well, that doesn't make no sense. They don't go dead on their own. Dead batteries in my laser again. It's really annoying. Alright, warp speed. Lunges along, probably low on fluid. Why else would it lunge? See, it takes hydraulic fluid in the tranny, but it's a special hydraulic fluid for hydraulics and transmissions. Yeah. Of course, every company makes their own. This one's probably made by Caterpillar. Most of the crap I get was made by John Deere, because, yeah, I have a John Deere. I also had a Samsung and a few million other machines. It's too hard to keep track. There were so many of them. And that doesn't count any of the ones I'm renting. The alarm is so annoying, but you got to press that button every single time, and I forget. You know, I'm used to it. Alright, I'll plop this load down here, then I'll move on around. So what do you want me to get out first? You good? I can do it with this bucket. No, I won't. I'll get out the angle over there. I'll come around. I'm changing the bucket out every 2 seconds. It'd be different if they gave me a small one. Now I have to go all the way around the house, up the road, over my truck, through the woods to Grandma's house. Yeah, all the way around, because they want me on the other side, and I can't really reach it from the top, but you know what, I'm gonna try, because I don't really want to go all the way around. They'll yell, I'll do it anyway. And if it don't work, then I'll go all the way around the house. I made all these other walls. There's ones in the back too. Yeah, I do that stuff. So, and I set this house, did the pads, probably did everything else. This is a customer's porch. It's all right. Just small. Code says 4x4. Nowadays, I do 5x5 because it's hard to fit your ass on a 4x4. I need to be totally square with it. You're lying. What? In? And the rock's bigger than hell. You're definitely not kid friendly. So we can't have that rock in there because it'll really mess up the set. This is pissing me off. Can't you get it out? How big is it? Can you go over the top of it? I know, can you go over the top of it yet? Oh, come on. Can't see it. Yeah. Which problem? What are you trying to get me to do? Yeah, that don't work. That thing's huge. I gotta get it first. I know, but it's huge. And now he wants me to grab it with the teeth. Whoa! See, Jackson? That's it. What is it? It ain't gonna do it. God, you guys, they really couldn't see that. That would not fold down enough. You can't really get it? I'm just so afraid I'm gonna hit that power line, dude. It'll squish the crap out of it. Oh, there goes the rock. Now we scoop up this dirt for him and put it up here on the mountain. With tons of dirt and rocks and everything else. There's some, see that mixture, that dark colored dirt? Most of the time that indicates that I'm at 2 grade. You know, the original grade. Holy crap-a-rooney. Which way? I can't get it. I just put it here. Nothing right here? Well, then get that wall going so I can fill it. Where? That way? How far? bored?
Yeah, your turn.
Now he's calling me names. I don't know. I wouldn't call the guy that pays me names. Unless I didn't like him. Okay, here we go. What?
I thought you fucking dropped right there. Scoop it in.
Say that again in English.
Flatten your bucket out.
No, really? So now he's getting... That is flat. How flat do you want it?
Flatter it. That's backward.
Dude, I don't want to take the whole bank. Cave this whole hill in like 2 seconds. I'll be tipped over. What? Shit in there. Don't break my reka. Alright, now this is what we're gonna use. Move out of the way. Oh, you should see the one they got. It's so cool. That bucket goes any angle you want. Da-ba-da. Hey, do you want to go get the compactor? Okay, I just want to make sure. Can you get 10-foot sticks in your car? He doesn't have a roll. I'd have to go clear to Home Depot. Dave's got the 10-foot pieces. Yeah. The Bonner concrete. I called him. He don't have it neither. What? We'd need a coupler though, wouldn't we?
Yeah. Well, you could just daylight it right over there. You don't really need to go that far. It can't go around there. It ain't gonna help going that way. You just need to go and daylight out. Daylight out right here. And then you see the phone.
Well, where's the other one? Can you even see the other one?
No, there's two of them. No one.
I stuffed 2 of them in there? I think I only did 1. So it's coming out right there? Okay. Oh, second level? Top of the second level, right?
Middle of the second level.
Middle? Okay.
So you put a 90 out, shoot it straight out the wall, and just go out that way. I don't think anything ever came through it anyways.
Well, if they can get started now that we're done here, right? so they can go ahead and start laying them and get them perfect, and then you just have to go into freaking Home Depot and get it.
Do you want a roll? Or do you want a 90? I really don't think you need a 90. I mean a roll.
Right. I was just thinking 210s now. If we're just going to go straight to him.
Well, that's the thing. You don't want to send it behind his fucking building.
Well, isn't it sitting up on a thing where it'll catch it?
It's 6x6, but still.
Right. It'll be all right. I mean, it's not going to get that much water anyway. I haven't seen, does it look like any water came out of that one at all? Right. I don't think it does. So, grab the roll of Type R stuff out of the truck, Chris.
You want one? How far was that to you? 12 feet to me right now.
So 2. So yeah, but you can't get a 10 in there?
No. I'm getting 8.
What if you stuck it out the front window because you're just going to Dave's? It's not that far, right? Go shoot down to Westman or Dufert. Dufert's closer. Or either that or I just got to unhook the truck.
I'll go get it. Did you grab 2 or 1?
Just grab 2. You got money?
You tell him to get couplers?
Well, you're going to tell them that when you get there. I didn't know what I needed. Now, what's your idea with a 90? And just, well, no, it could deadhead into the wall.
Well, if you're just dead into the wall, then we'll lose there.
Right, we're going to come straight off it out here.
Never had water in it.
No. Yeah, I mean, even if
We'll just come straight off and then over behind it, and then at the last minute, yeah, see if he does have because I don't have no 90s with me, and we'll just 90 over from here.
So you want to just do one 10-foot chunk and there's 90 out? How far was 10 foot on that?
right here.
No.
It'd be
That's about
close.
45 and then it could go that way. But...
Right.
Are you just getting fucking PVC? Or what?
I don't know. He has something with holes in it.
So he's just got the perforated pipe.
Yeah, I just drain tile is what he called it. So I'm guessing it's just those flat white ones like Home Depot has.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Badger did quit carrying all fucking plumbing.
Right. So do this. Just tell him. Just if you got to cut it in half, get a coupler for a couple couplers.
Nope, it's dead.
Now we'll just run we'll sweep that off and we'll use
the 6-footer with you, right?
No, I got my 6. Yeah, actually I do. I got a 3-footer in the truck.
6-footer, you're only going to go 4 times.
So grab the 3-footer out of there too.
4 of them at a time anyways.
So
Plenty low. Actually, you're going to have to fucking put a lot more rock right where you're sitting.
we're at.
You dug that way to hell down.
Are we breaking the fucking foot off?
I need my gloves.
This is if you're doing over 12 feet, yeah, it's got contact like crazy, but that's literally only 3.5 feet tall.
Here, I don't know what Dave's gonna charge. So
It's gonna be more than
here's 40 bucks.
15 bucks, something.
God dang, it's cold. This is bullshit. Here, give me my coat. Yeah, it's in there somewhere. It's a little gray one. Probably right on the seat. Usually I don't put them on the floor. Yeah, that's 2-footer. It's as big as my dick. Uh-oh. Make sure I'm still not recording. Oh shit, I'm gonna have to